You can do it! Welcome to the PNC Painless Computer. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. Hey, so what are we jumping into today? Hi guys, so today we're going to figure out how to find the sum of things. Basically, that's just adding everything up and finding a total. So I picked cookies. We're starting off with 50 cookies. So if you highlight all the names starting from Jasmine and ending up at Jason, you're going to go to this three little dots over in this corner right here where my mouse is hovering. Click on that and you see this shape right here, this function shape. You click on function and then you're going to click sum. Alright, and there's the sum of everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to put Jasmine ate 10 cookies and Jay ate 4. Rhonda had 10. Wanda had 12. And Jason ate 14 cookies, equaling a total of 50. So that is how you find the sum, adding everything up together. Pretty simple. All right, let's do it one more time. So when you're grabbing, you're going to grab from the top to the bottom. You don't grab the total because that's where it's going to put in the formula. So then you're going to go over here to the functions. Click on the function key. It looks like a sideways M. So hit sum because that's what we're looking for. Now we're just going to add our numbers again to make sure everything calculates. There's 10, 4, 10, 12, and this time Jason ate 10. There you go, and that leaves 4 cookies for yourself. Now that is how you find the sum of things.